From a simple sheet of paper, you can create something amazing that impresses even before it's opened. Start with a piece of colored paper measuring about 8 by 12 inches. Fold the two top edges toward the center to form a triangle. Then fold the bottom strip of paper upward and fold it once more the same way. This will create an elegant flap. Now fold the top part of the paper downward so that it touches the bottom edge. Gently unfold the previous folds. Fold the side corners toward the center, and then fold them again as shown in the video. Place the money inside and close the envelope with the triangular flap. Finally, decorate the envelope to match the occasion. This handmade envelope works for any event. From an ordinary piece of paper, you'll create something truly special. An elegant way to give money without feeling awkward. Once the money is placed inside a paper bag, take a colorful ribbon and position it right at the bag's opening. Then begin folding down the top edge of the bag, section by section. Do it slowly and carefully. Every fold affects the final look. Once folded, cut the paper about 2 inches in from both sides. Now tuck the folded strip with the ribbon inside at a diagonal angle. This is the key moment. Start tying the ribbon as if you were tying a necktie. You can choose any type of knot. Now the shape starts coming together. Cut the ends of the ribbon into a triangle to create a classic tie finish. It adds the perfect touch. This way of presenting money makes a real impression. It's something you probably haven't seen before, a mix of simplicity and creativity. This trick is also perfect when you don't have a traditional envelope, a stylish and clever gift idea for all kinds of occasions. A clever painting hack. Wrap tape around your paint roller, then thread it through the roller's frame so it sits close to the roller's surface. Make sure the sticky side of the tape faces away from the roller. Stick the tape's end to where you want to start your line. Now roll along. The tape will unwind smoothly, helping you create a straight, even line without bending down. It's a simple but brilliant trick my grandfather shared with me. Get rid of dirt on the walls without scrubbing or streaks. Start by filling a bucket with hot water, then add a bit of dish soap. This is a great cleaner that effectively removes grease, dust, and other dirt. Soak the mop in the solution, then wring it out so it's only slightly damp. This prevents excess water that could harm your walls or doors. Now clean away. Glide the mop across the walls, ceiling, and doors. Effortlessly remove dust, stains, and dirt. This quick and convenient method lets you reach even the hardest to reach spots without the need for a ladder or cloth. When you're done, pour the dirty water into the toilet and see how much grime you've removed. Clean, refreshed surfaces with no streaks or dust, all in just a few minutes. Enjoy your perfectly clean space. Your home will be free from moisture. You'll never see mold on your walls again. Start by taking 2 or 3 lemons. Roll the lemons back and forth with the palm of your hand. This will help you extract more juice from the lemons. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. Add 1 small teaspoon of granulated garlic to the juice. Thanks to the allicin in garlic, it inhibits the growth of mold and fungi. Mix everything well. If you have dark-colored walls, you can add a few ground cloves to the mixture. Slowly strain the mixture into another container using a wet cloth or gauze. Take a plastic bottle with a dispenser. Pour the liquid into the bottle and close it tightly. Use this homemade solution in areas prone to mold and fungi. This remedy will help you solve the problem once and for all. Dust will no longer appear in your home. This is a proven method to keep dust away. All you need is a microfiber cloth. Wipe the surface where dust usually accumulates. It's important that the area is pre-cleaned before applying this trick. Then, take the microfiber cloth again and squeeze a small amount of hair conditioner onto it. You don't need much. Use the cloth with the conditioner to wipe the surface where you want to prevent dust from settling. Thanks to the conditioner, dust will stop accumulating. Stains and dirt on walls will disappear in seconds. Wondering how? This trick removes wall stains effortlessly. It only takes a moment, and the result will exceed your expectations. When stains appear on white walls, don't worry. Instead of repainting, you'll start using this trick. I'll show you a way to remove them in just a few seconds. You need fabric softener for this. With its help, your problems will vanish. Prepare a small bowl. Use the fabric softener cap as a measuring cup. Pour 4 capfuls of water into the bowl. Add 1 capful of fabric softener. Mix everything to get a uniform consistency. Now, take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the mixture and wipe the stain on the wall. Follow the steps shown in the video. Just wipe the stained areas with this solution. The effect is amazing. After a few moments of wiping, the stain will disappear. There won't be any trace of the stain left. The wall will dry quickly, and you'll forget the stains or dirt were ever there. Most people don't know that with just a can of tuna, they can watch every TV channel in the world. All you need is 1 can and an antenna cable. Open the can and place the contents in a dish for dinner or lunch. We won't need them for this. Tear off the lid of the can. In the empty can, make a hole in the center. Thread the antenna cable connector through it. If the hole is too big, use hot glue to secure it to the can. Prepare about 10 centimeters of antenna cable. Remove the insulation from half of the cable, leaving only the inner wire. Leave about 2 centimeters of the wire exposed on the other end and attach the connector. Now, detach the tab from the can lid. That's what we'll need to watch TV. Attach the other end of the antenna cable to the tab. Next, prepare the antenna cable by gently stripping off the outer insulation, leaving only the wire. Attach the connector. Do the same on the other end of the cable. The cable with the tab from the can should be secured inside the can. This will serve as our antenna. On the other side, screw the cable connector onto the can. Finally, attach the antenna plug to the cable's end, and that's it. Just connect it to your TV, and you can watch any channel. Properly positioned, it will allow you to access all channels. A deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears.